5 Best User Reviews of the Elgato Stream Deck. Live Content Creation Controller with 15 customizable LCD keys, adjustable stand, for Windows 10 and macOS 10.13 or late, Tunga 9901. Stream Deck puts 15 LCD keys at your fingertips for ultimate studio control. Simply tap to switch scenes, launch media, tweet your feats and more. Personalize your keys with custom icons or choose from hundreds, and get visual feedback every time you execute a command. With Stream Deck, maximize your production value and focus on what matters most, your audience. Real users share their experience. Number 5. A streamer's best friend. Gabriel Cordova. 5-star. This Stream Deck is amazing, very easy to set up and used. I have 3 profiles assigned to it, for gaming, programming, and social media/work. This deck is very customizable from your icon down to the button configurations. You can control OBS, Streamlab OBS, Twitch Studio, Elgato Capture Card, and Elgato Wave 1 and 3 and so much more. I use my Stream Deck on my MacBook Pro while my partner uses her on a Windows computer so it can be used on a Mac or Windows. Gabriel Cordova. Number 1. Horrible software and not working already. HKN. 1-star, Stream Deck is a bunch of keys and you define what they do to make your life easy and streaming a breeze. The problem is, it is constantly asking me to sign in and ruining my stream instead. Why the hell do I need to sign in for? Since I don't sign in, the buttons don't work at all. HKN. Number 4, from a non-streamer is pretty handy, John. 4-star. Pretty cool. There's a lot of easy things you can do and set up. I use it just for regular gaming and sim racing setups. Of course it's mostly set up for streaming and I imagine it helps a lot if that's what you're doing, but I think just about any power user could make good use of one of these. John. Number 3, looks cool, very customizable, okay quality materials, a bit pricey. Josh H. 3-star. This product is useful and definitely a cool addition to any desktop. The buttons are very customizable and the software is intuitive and easy to use. I had some immediate issues the first few days with the cord being sensitive when moved around the area where it connects to the unit. It may just have a short or defect. Josh H. Number 5, love this shortcut deck. Bottoman. 5-star. This Elgato deck is a great device to use with almost any program where you have multiple keystrokes to do something. I'm a photographer and use it for Photoshop and Lightroom, though my son pointed out he could use it to play World of Tanks. Each key is programmable for use in software or even for launching a program. Bottoman. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.